Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing paper and a target size. Pick standard 3x 3 inches or smaller if you want pourable notes. Use a ruler and pencil to mark a template, then cut multiple sheets quickly by stacking 20-40 pages. Press the stack tightly with a heavy book or binder clip to keep edges aligned. Once done, clean any loose fibers with a quick trim or sandpaper. This creates an even edge so adhesive will apply cleanly and hold evenly later. You'll make the notes removable by applying a thin adhesive strip to one short edge. Choose a low-tack glue stick or mix craft PVA with a bit of water for lower adhesion. If using a glue stick, swipe slowly across the short edge on both sides of the top sheet only. Once done, stack neatly and press under weight or clamp with clips so the adhesive bonds between sheets. Make sure to let it dry 30-60 minutes, then peel a sheet to test and adjust if it sticks too much. You finish by trimming any uneven edges and separating pages carefully if some stuck together. Once trimmed, test several sheets on different surfaces. If they tear or pull paint, the glue is too strong, reduce glue amount or dilute and reapply a thin coat. If notes won't stick, apply one more thin adhesive strip and let dry fully. Make sure to press under weight to bond. A quick troubleshooting tip: if sheets clump, fan them and rub a tiny amount of talc along the glued edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.